Graphic designing. Graphic designing is a crucial aspect of modern-day communication. It encompasses the creation of visual content to communicate messages, ideas, and concepts effectively. This field involves combining typography, images, and other visual elements to create a visual representation of a message. Graphic designing is utilized in various industries, including marketing, advertising, web design, and print media. In this article, we'll explore the basics of graphic designing and what it takes to become a professional graphic designer. The basics of graphic designing. Graphic designing involves the creation of visual content that is used to communicate messages effectively. This can include designing logos, brochures, websites, social media graphics, advertisements, and other forms of visual communication. It is essential to understand the principles of design when it comes to graphic designing. These principles include balance, contrast, proportion, hierarchy, and alignment. Balance refers to the distribution of elements within a design to create a sense of visual equilibrium. Contrast, on the other hand, refers to the differences between elements within a design. Proportion refers to the relationship between the sizes of different elements in a design. Hierarchy refers to the arrangement of elements in a design to create a sense of importance. Finally, alignment refers to the placement of elements within a design to create a sense of order. The role of graphic designers. Graphic designers play a crucial role in creating effective visual communication. They use their expertise to create visual content that effectively communicates a message. They work in various industries, including advertising, marketing, web design, and print media. In each of these industries, graphic designers have a specific role to play. In advertising, graphic designers work on creating visual content for advertisements. This can include designing billboards, posters, and other forms of outdoor advertising. In marketing, graphic designers work on creating visual content for various marketing campaigns. This can include designing brochures, flyers, and other forms of marketing materials. In web design, graphic designers work on creating the visual elements of a website. This can include designing the layout, typography, and images used on a website. In print media, graphic designers work on creating visual content for various print materials. This can include designing magazines, newspapers, and other forms of print media. How to become a graphic designer. Becoming a graphic designer requires a combination of skills and education. While some graphic designers are self-taught, most have a degree in graphic design or a related field. In addition to formal education, graphic designers need to have excellent skills in various design software programs, including Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and InDesign. To become a successful graphic designer, it is essential to have a good eye for design, excellent communication skills, and a passion for creativity. Graphic designers need to be able to understand their clients' needs and communicate their ideas effectively. They also need to be able to work well under pressure and meet tight deadlines. Types of graphic design. There are different types of graphic designing, each with its own unique style and purpose. Here are some of the most common types of graphic designing. Branding and identity design. This type of graphic designing is focused on creating a visual identity for a brand. It includes designing logos, typography, color schemes, and other visual elements that represent a brand's values and personality. And many more.